Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss the chapter that is a biomolecule chapter or 12th class chemistry subject. So it is totally based upon the that is a comprehension paragraph based questions and 2 marks carrying questions. So comprehension paragraph based questions you can easily solve these paragraph based questions, okay? And second that is a 2 marks carrying question. So start karte 2 marks carrying question. So what are the chemical name of vitamin A and disease caused? So retinol and night blindness. And describe the role function of vitamin A, that is it play the important role in maintaining the proper vision and maintaining a healthy skin. Next, describe the role or function of vitamin C. It helps to fight with disease and infection strength, and it is necessary for the healthy gums and teeth. And next, describe the role or function of vitamin D. It helps in keeping the bones and teeth healthy. It helps us to fight common infection. Next, chemical name of vitamin D, that is a argocalciferol, and disease, that is a rickets. What is a mutarotation? That change in sorry, the change in specific rotation of an optical active compound in solution with time to an equilibrium value, that is called as a mutarotation. What is a peptide bond? Important question. So carboxyl group of one amino acid and amino group of another amino acid get condensed with the removal of water molecule, the resulting of CONH linkage, that is called as a peptide linkage, and bond formed, that is called as a peptide bond. जिस तरह glycine plus alanine है दोनों मिलके, that is CONH bond the formation हो रही है, that is a peptide bond, that is a glycine alanine. Next, what is a denatured protein? The most energetic stable state of protein, that is a native state. So a process which change the physical and biological properties of a protein without affecting its chemical composition is called a denaturation of protein. And during denaturation, the protein molecule uncoil from an order specific conformation into more random conformation. The protein so obtained, that is called as a denatured protein. So example, regulation of egg while unheated and curdling of milk in the presence of an acid. Next, important difference between enzyme and catalyst. Enzyme that are highly specific, and each enzyme catalyst only one reaction, and the catalyst that is not so specific. Enzyme, these are highly efficient catalyst and varies the rate of reaction by up to factor 10 to the 20. No so efficient. So these work best in aqueous solution pH 7. So ordinary catalyst generally require pH not equal to 7 at a high temperature and high pressure. Difference between RNA and DNA, most important है the sugar molecule deoxyribose, and RNA the sugar molecule, that is a ribose. In DNA it occur mainly in the nucleus of cell. RNA it occur in the cytoplasm of cell. It has a double stranded alpha helix which is 2 spiral, and RNA have single stranded alpha helix structure. And DNA it contains cytosine and thymine as a thymine, and RNA it contain cytosine and uracil as a pyrimidine. In DNA, that is a nitrogenous base, that is uracil is not present, and RNA, that is thymine, is not present. And RNA, the unique property of replication, and DNA is a replication. RNA, that is does not replicate. DNA molecule are very large, RNA molecule are much smaller. Next, difference between nucleotide and nucleoside. Nucleotide contain the three components, that is a base, sugar and phosphate group. That is a nucleotide. It is acidic in nature, base, sugar and phosphate group. And a nucleoside, that is it contains two component, base and sugar. So it contains basic nature and structure, that is a base and sugar molecule. Next question, that is a why vitamin C cannot be stored in our body. Due to the vitamin C, that is because it is a water soluble vitamin, and it is readily excreted in the urine. Next, a difference between essential and non-essential amino acid. Essential, the amino acid which cannot be synthesized in the body and must therefore be obtained through a diet, that is known as essential amino acid. Non-essential, the amino acid which can be synthesized in our the body, these are non-essential amino acid, glycine, alanine and proline. Next, reducing and non-reducing sugar. Reducing sugar, all those carbohydrate which reduce a failing solution to red PPT, that are called as a reducing sugar, and although on the other hand carbohydrate which do not give the test, that is a non-reducing sugar. Next, alpha amino acid, that the protein occur in every part of body, and from the fundamental basis of structure and function, all protein are the polymer of alpha amino acid. ठीक है, so जिस तरह अल्फा अमाइनो एसिड है, अल्फा कार्बन के नाल अमाइन एंड एसिडिक ग्रुप दोनों है, दैट इज अल्फा अमाइनो एसिड. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर. प्राइमरी, द सीक्वेंस इन विच द वेरियस अमाइनो एसिड get arranged in a protein, that is called as a primary structure. The amino acid sequence of a protein determine the function. Secondary structure, that is a structure, it gives the manner in which the protein chain is folded. ठीक है, it arises in the planar geometry of and peptide bond and hidden bond between the one region to the another region. So primary ਸਿੰਗਲ ਚੇਨ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਇਲਿੰਗ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਸੈਕੰਡਰੀ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਹੈ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੀਨ ਦੀ. ਸੋ ਦੀਜ਼ ਆਰ ਦਾ ਮੋਸਟ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਫ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਬਾਇਓਮੋਲੀਕੂਲਸ. ਸੋ ਆਲ ਦੀ ਬੈਸਟ ਟੂ ਆਲ ਦ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ. ਸੋ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਹੈ, ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਟੌਪ 10 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਕਰਵਾਏ ਹੈਗੇ ਅਤੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ LEP ਸੋਲਵ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਅਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਸੈਂਪਲ ਪੇਪਰ, ਇਹ ਤਿੰਨ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸਾਰੀ ਕਵਰ ਕਰੋ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਅਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ 70 ਆਊਟ ਆਫ 70 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਗੇਨ ਕਰੋਗੇ. ਸੋ ਆਲ ਦੀ ਬੈਸਟ ਆਲ ਦ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ. Good. Thank you.